Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is another one of our wooden dummy training videos. It's wooden dummy transitioning sets, transitioning from set 1 to set 4. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes, click a like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
All right, next progression. We're going to start with set 1. So whether in the side neutral or not, doesn't matter. So we have our 1, our 2, our 3. Everybody good? From here now, you're going to find an opening. We're going to move in, and I'll do it on the other side. Right? You're here for the lop. He's going to step through and hit to the body. Okay? So what we're going to use, we can use as an opportunity to move into set 4. Low bone. Shut view. Side kick. All right? So on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, the low round comes in. Your choice. Low bone. I'm dealing with the low round. Okay, we're just going to deal with the low round punch right now. All right? So from here, Chun, take your side kick, and that's where we're going to close it. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Remember here I told you if you want to do your lop, it's fine. Low round comes in, low bone, Chun, take the side kick. You're all okay with that? You sure? What? You can see it more than one more time. What side would you prefer?
Right side.
1, come here, get close. Warm and fuzzy. 1, 2, 3. So remember I said you can go here or here, right? There's your 4. He shoots the low round sex, right? So it's low bone, Chun, take the side kick. You guys know set 4 is 1, 2, 3, right? Everybody good? Not a problem? Or you can just, yeah, question? No, not right now. So watch the application on this one. We'll start on this side and then I'll go to the other side. So I'm here. You guys have your 1, your 2, and your 3. So here's where we are. So he's throwing that shot. He's coming here, stepping out to hit me in the body. Here's my cover. So on this time we're doing a mark. I'm just going to push him open, take the BG. Got in his hand, blow out the knee. Okay? You guys have also done it when they throw it on this side, low round. You've done it here where he throws low round, then he comes back and shoots a back fist, right? You guys have done that too. So right now I just want you to use low round. So if it's the low round strike, from here I just want you to open him. There's your BG strike, clear. Step on the leg. So on this side, coming through, it's going to be 1. He gives you some force. 2, 3, and 4. Steps in, low bone, press him open. BG, gone, side kick. Okay? Yeah, that's it. Because you should be off his body. Okay? Everybody good? All right. Have some fun, have some fun, have some fun.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.